Welcome to my very first IB How to Register guide, where I will be explaining the steps on how to register for online filing with HMRC. There are two parts to this process, registration and enrollment. The registration part requires you to have your UTR, your unique taxpayer reference, which can be found on any correspondence from HMRC, together with your NI number or postcode ready. The UTR number will be given to you when you register for taxes with HMRC for the first time. Once you have completed the registration process, an activation code will be posted to you by the government gateway. To start registration, follow the link or go to www.online.hmrc.gov.uk. On the welcome page, simply click on Register in the new user pane. The next page will ask you what you would like to do. Assuming that you are already registered for taxes, click on Sign up for HMRC online services in the left-hand pane. You will now have a choice of accounts which you can create. Select Individual if you're a sole trader working for yourself, or you have been asked by the Revenue to file a self-assessment tax return. Choose Organisation if you are a contractor, a partnership, a limited company, etc. You will now be asked to select the services you wish to use. Select Self-Assessment if you have been asked to file a return. You can add additional services such as VAT return filing at a later point. By applying to use a service, you are not committing yourself to actually using it. You are simply enabling yourself to submit returns and check your account with HMRC online. On the next page, you will need to follow the registration process step by step. During this process, you will be required to enter your UTR number, NI number or postcode. You will be asked to create a password and will be given a user ID in step 4. Please make sure you note down this ID as it will not be displayed again. I would suggest to take a screenshot of the ID and save it to your PC. Once you have completed registration, an authentication code will be posted to you by the government gateway. The user ID supplied to you will be a 12-digit number as displayed. You will need this ID every time you log onto the Revenue's online services, so make sure you keep it safe. Once you have received your activation code, go back to your initial welcome page and log in the existing users pane with your user ID and password. You will now have a choice of services you can access depending on your selection earlier in the process. Once you click on Access Service, you will be asked to enter the Government Gateway activation code which was sent to you by post. This was the final step, and you should now be able to access HMRC's online services. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful and not too boring. Please like and subscribe and click on the link in my description.